Hello fashionistas! Today we have an exciting clothing haul from STYLEWE featuring some trendy pieces perfect for all occasions. I have got some handful pieces and I'm eager to share with you. So today's video is sponsored by STYLEWE and thank you so much for collaborating with me. And if you want to buy from their website, you can check on the description below. I put all the links in the description below and you can get 18% off if you are using my code RIYA18. So let's get started. First up, we have this charming crew neck floral dress. It's the epitome of springtime elegance. The floral print is fresh and vibrant, perfect for brightening up any day. The crew neck design add a touch of modesty while still keeping things trendy. Pair it with sandals for a casual look or dress it up with heels for a special occasion. Quality is good, but organza fabric is not for everyone. So for me, I'll give this 6 out of 10. So moving on to the next one, this is the perfect dress I have received. This leaf collar long sleeve floral maxi dress. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty of this piece? You can add a belt to elevate your dress. The leaf collar detail adds a unique touch, while the long sleeves make it perfect for transitioning between seasons. Whether you are strolling through the park or attending a garden party, this dress is sure to turn sad. I will give this dress 9 out of 10. This is my favorite dress I have received. So next up we have this V-neck short sleeve plain maxi dress. Sometimes simplicity is the key and this dress embodies that perfectly. The V neckline is flattering on all body type and the flowy chilote add effortless elegance. Dress it up with statement jewelry for a night out or keep it casual with a denim jacket for daytime chic. But this is actually a V-neck short sleeve, but for me it's a long sleeve, so for me I give it 6 out of 10. So next we have this elegant long sleeve plain black kimono top. Every woman needs a classic black top in her wardrobe and this one tick all the boxes. The kimono style sleeves add a hint of drama while the black color makes it incredibly versatile. Pair it with jeans for a casual look or dress it up with a skirt and heels for a night on the town. So I will give this top is 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about this regular fit jeans. STYLEWE has truly nailed it with this. The fit is just right, offering comfort without sacrificing style. Plus the classic denim wash makes them easy to pair with virtually anything in your wardrobe. They are a staple piece that you will reach for time and time again. Besides from this, the denim is look different from other denims. So I will give this denim 9 out of 10. Last but certainly not the least, we have this urban blazer. The first thing that strikes me about this piece is its versatility. It's tailored to perfection with a flattering regular fit that's suitable for any occasion. Whether you are heading to the office or out for a casual dinner, this blazer adds an instant touch of sophistication to any outfit. So that's why I give this blazer 9 out of 10. And also the quality of the blazer is very good. It's pure cotton. So yeah, that's it. So and there you have it, a glimpse into the fabulous world of STYLEWE, from tops to bottoms to blazers and dresses. They have got everything what you need to elevate your wardrobe into the next level. So what are you waiting for? Go and check their website from the link in the description box below. You can use my discount code which is RIYA18 to get 18% off. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new on my channel, then give this video a thumbs up and go subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.